Maligaya kayong gawain nyo sa kapwa-tao ninyo yan araw-araw. Just because you have the power of, press freedom. What's the question, Rappler? Your articles are ripe with innuendos and pregnant with falsity. We do not intervene in the affairs of the armed forces. We are just an office that receives complaints or papers for reference, and we transmit them to the proper agency. We do not get any money. We are not interested in that. Para sa alaman ninyo, you can stop your suspicious mind from roaming somewhere else. But since you are a fake news outlet, then I am not surprised that your articles are also fake. We can debate now. Tell me where is our lies, and I'll tell you where are yours. Anybody?
Okay. First question po,
Kasi
for Pia Ranyada of Rappler.
I am asking you, where are your sense of values going?
Sir, earlier in your speech, you were saying that the issue with the SEC ruling is not an issue on press freedom.
Galing ako,
But-
galing ako ng flight, nagkatulog ako. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, earlier in your speech, you said that the issue on the SEC ruling against Rappler is not an issue of press freedom. But at the same time, during your speech, you were giving comments about the media and about Rappler and Inquirer na sumusobra na kami. So what does that mean, sir? You say that this is not an attack on media, but you also have attacks on media in your own speech.
Let me
following
give
the
you an
decision.
example. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Your inquisitive mind goes beyond its normal proportions. Bong, ayun na. You know, I just, tingnan ninyo yung a daily dose of your medicine. Bongo intervenes in the 15 billion. Who gave you idea he can intervene? Where is his signature? Where is your statement? And where is your even a point of reference? Dumadata, ang dami na talaga sa akin. But look at, alam mo, hindi ako mag-ibang pero bilyonaryo to. Sa totoo lang. Punta kayo Davao, tanongin niyo kung sino yan. Uy, ito mga ganito. It seems to appear na intervening because of what? Money? The things that you are telling never happened. Pag magtanggap kami na gano'n, ipasa namin doon sa proper, if it's Justice Department, it goes to the Justice Department. If the subject matter here is about transportation, it goes to Tugade.
Sir, first of all, you're digressing from the question. Secondly, we also got SAP Bongo's side before publishing the story.
But even
So-
if it does not, even if I do or I do not know that, tignan mo yung headline mo. Is that really
Sir, hindi po ako
a
nagsabi.
work of a sensible person? He's not a military man and he what? You think you can convince Lorenzana and the guys there, you can bribe them? Or you would think that sila papayag nga kami ang mag-bribe then the way I talk, the way I've been firing people? Tapos tingnan niyo yung ano. What do you know about also the vote that Bongo intervened?
Sir, as far as we're concerned, we've already addressed the issue of fairness on that article. Can you just answer, please, the question?
Hindi kita maintindihan. Ano? So, see, what's the question? I am now explaining even with your article. Find a way na masabi ka nagtotoo, nag-intervene kami. I'll give it to you. And if you can find, I will ask Bong to resign tomorrow. Work on it tonight. Let me know tomorrow and I will fire him. If he did intervene, even for one word. Kasi kayo, tingnan ninyo yung mga article ninyo. Maligaya kayo gawain nyo sa kapwa-tao ninyo yan araw-araw. Just because you have the power of press freedom. The issue here is not press freedom. The way your masters, the elite, yung may-ari niyan, and you are not even constitutionally allowed to go into the media with the pretext of yung depository. What kind of a salam of bitch is that? Walang technicality. The Constitution does not really allow your company.
Ay, sir, good evening
Sumubra
po.
kayo? Oh, talaga.
Sir, good evening po.
Yung amo mo, anong kaso niya? Why do you do research about people? Why don't you research about your own company you're working with? It's known to be a group of companies Lopez before. They borrowed billions from itong bangko na DBP. They never paid. You know what happened at the end of the day? It was condoned by the powers because they are the elite. Yan ang dapat kayo ang kalaban ng mga komunista, hindi kami. Oh, Inquirer, how long did you hang on to that goddamn Mylong? 50 years. Nag-expire na lang, they were continue collecting the rentals there when it was no longer theirs, money of the people. Tapos, magsabi, poverty, sulat, it's poverty. Kayo nga ang nakawan dyan. So it's not a question of press freedom. It's a question of abuse and protection by the elite of this country who hold the power. It's about time that kayong mga mayaman, putang ina, huminto kayo, kakaabuso ninyo. Ginagamit na yung media pag nagpamakalin niya kayo mga inquiry, yung pala mga magnanakaw kayo. Ito naman si Hinares from 1 billion taxes. Why don't you trace that up? Pagdating kay Hinares, naging 8 million na lang. Kaya sabihin ko sa BIR, ipakuha ko nga. Karami yung skeleton in the closets. It can contain almost 1,000 warehouses.
Ms. Rose,
Bastusan. Bastusan tayo. Pero kayong mga yaman, hindi kayo makakalamang sa amin. Wala kayong makuha sa amin. Tignan ninyo, one of these days, I'll file a plunder case. Pag pinayag ko plunder case, you will go to jail without a bail. Tignan ninyo. Mga gago kayo. Yung inyong mga reporter, they will be allowed to criticize us. But you go to jail for your crime. Or crime. Pero kayo, you continue being employed. Hindi namin ipasira. Hindi ko ipasira yan. Bakit ko ipasira? Hindi ko kilala yung putang inang sect na yan. Puro Aquino yung trabahante dyan. Bakit kami ang curtailment of press freedom? Katagal na ninyo naglumilitse sa amin. Pati tae na nga, tinatapon ninyo sa amin. Kayong pa kayong magsabi ng curtailment of press freedom? Masyado ninyong abusuhin yan. It's a privilege in a democratic state. You have overused and abused that privilege in the guise of free freedom. Hindi nga kayo. You did not know that you were working for a government. Who owns the property? It's not a Filipino. Anong pangalan yan? Hindi na kayo nahiya. Oh, no, of course not. You know that it is being funded. Baski sabihin hindi not owner. You are funded by foreign money. Are you not? ashamed of that? No, no. Nandyan sa newspaper, hindi voting, hindi mo naintindihan ang corporation law mo. I'm not saying that they are investors, but their share as non-voting. But it does not say voting. The law does not say that. It is in the investment. Ano ka man. Whether your share votes or not, that is immaterial. You have the money and that yung Rappler mo was being funded by a foreigner. And you had the goal to attack people using foreign money. Yung sweldo ninyo, galing roon yan. Basahin mo ulit yung article ngayon. Today's newspaper. Bakit ka mag-voting? No need to vote. You can influence. Eh kung sabihin mo, I will withdraw my exposure. Oh, saan kayo makuha ng sweldo? Hindi magkausap talaga kayo. Bakit? What do you want? You know, you can always go into a horse deal. No need really to, putang ina yung kumpanya mo, pera ko yan. Although I do not have a say in the management of what Pia Ranada says, but I can cripple your company by just withdrawing my investment in your corporation.